Good morning, children. Good morning, beta. Ishan, Pranjal, Abhay. We've done a lot of writing section. Today we'll be grammar. Please prepare your answers for the first exercise. Then we'll discuss the answers. Let me admit the other students by the time you prepare your answers for the first exercise.
Good morning, ma'am.
We've done a lot of writing section. So for a few days now, we'll be doing some grammar part beta. Okay, we just started with the grammar part today. Let's do this. We are going to start with determiners. First exercise, you need to answers as of now anyway. Just plan your answers and we'll discuss them. Let's see how many we get correct. You must have done determiners 9, 10.
Yes, ma'am.
If I feel that the answers are not coming correct, then I'll take up the chapter again. I'll teach you again in case it is needed. Please prepare your answers for the first exercise, then we'll discuss the answers. Just a minute more, beta, then let's start discussing. Ready? Should we discuss?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, let's start. Honesty is dash best policy.
Is the best.
The best policy.
The.
I saw dash one-eyed sailor or an.
Oh,
What article should come here, a or an? Yes, anybody? Somebody give me the correct answer in the beginning. It should be a. But although this is starting from O, it's an article. But when you speak out this word, one, ver, the sound comes of V, not of vowels. So one, when we say the word one, although it starts with an, but we do not take an, Because if we go according to the sound of this word, one, verb, then V sound comes. So we take A over here. I saw a one-eyed sailor. Dash sun is bigger than dash earth.
The sun is bigger than the
Sun is bigger than the earth.
The
Very good. You must have done in junior classes for things which are unique. पूरी दुनिया में सिर्फ एक ही है. Then we use the with them. So the sun is bigger than the earth. This car
and
At a speed of
very good at a speed of 180 kilometer dash hour.
per hour.
per
No, wait. Take only articles determiners. Per is not a determiner. A and the what should be here?
ma'am, N.
Yes.
A.
It is
N.
an R. Understand an R. See over here, it is H beta. It is no. When you speak this word R, then O, the sound which comes is O. That is vowel sound. So that is why we use an over here. Dekho beta, over here we had a O over here, but still we used a because the sound was coming of ver, one-eyed. Here it is entirely the opposite. Although it is R, but we are using an. This car can be driven at a speed of 1 kilometer an hour. Please let me. Yes, all the mangoes are rotten. Very good. Would you like to have dash book or dash one? You can use any determiners. This, that, these, those, few, a few, the few. All of them are determiners. This, that, these, those. These are also determiners. Fill in this.
Ma'am, this book.
Or
This book or that one.
That one.
whenever I say determiners, we mean all beta. A and the, this, that, these, those, little, a little, the little, few, a few, the few, much, many. All of them are determiners. So keep in mind. Very good. We are done with the exercise. So I hope the rule is clear. Even if the letter is a vowel, you will go according to the sound. Let's prepare the second exercise A and B. Then I'll discuss the answers with you. Please be ready with your answers. We'll discuss. Let's start. A cup of tea may seem dash ordinary thing.
An ordinary thing.
An ordinary.
An ordinary thing.
And
Very good. An ordinary thing
to all of
To all
us.
of us.
all is not a determiner. Select between much and many.
Many.
To many of us.
Many.
Many of us in India. But drinking tea is dash ritual, which is taken very seriously.
Is
Is our actual.
Very good. Is a ritual which is taken very seriously in dash Japanese homes.
In the Japanese.
Dash people came to dash site. Much or many?
many.
Many. Many people came to dash site.
This.
The.
This side.
Very good. He came to the site where the revolutionary general was to be hanged. When asked if he had dash desire,
And
Uh,
a desire. If he had a desire, dash smile ran. A or an, dash smile,
A.
a smile.
A.
A smile, very good. A smile ran on dash dry lips.
On the dry lips.
Very good. The dry lips. Excellent. So let me do it again. Many people came to the site where the revolutionary general was to be hanged. When asked if lips, and he nodded his head. Very good. Let's move on to the C part and the D part. Chaliye beta, your time to revise. Be prepared with your answers. Ready, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, let's start. Huh? There was not dash policeman. Oh, very
Ma'am,
good.
there
Ma'am,
was
a
an, there
policeman.
was not a policeman.
Very good. Excellent. There was not a policeman at dash. Very good. At the site of dash accident.
Of an
N.
Of
Of
an
an
accident.
Yes. I was dash eyewitness.
N.
I
Very
was
good.
an
and
Because it's, I was an eyewitness and had noticed dash thing.
Every.
Each-
dashing.
Yes.
Every.
Yes, everything. Remember, each, every, either or, neither, not, they are also determiners. So we can take them here. Good. Everything. By the time dash police arrived,
The.
The.
very good. By the time the police arrived, dash spectators had already gathered there. Much or many?
Many.
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 Many. Good. Let's move on to the next one. You
To a.
To a.
Oh, very good. Yes, beta. And all possessors are also determiners. Me, mine, you, yours, his, her, theirs. They are also determiners. So tell me now. I went to a fruit shop with dash mother yesterday.
With
My
my
mother.
Very good. My mother. She bought dash apples. Some, few, much, many. Any option you
many.
can.
Many.
Many apples.
Some.
Dash oranges.
Some oranges.
Some mangoes.
Yes, you can take some also. Very good. And she's taken some. Yes, yes.
Few
Some
mangoes.
orange and dash mangoes.
Few.
Few. Very good. Few, a few, the few, little, a little, the little, they're all determiners. And few mangoes for dash puja.
For the puja.
Very nice, beta. For the puja. And then dash bunch of grapes.
A bunch of grapes.
A bunch of grapes and dash couple of bananas.
And a couple of bananas.
Good, beta. And a couple of bananas. See, these two are not clear. So let's not do them. Let's come here. Let's do this. Third one, a dash month back. Please prepare your answers for the third exercise. Then we'll discuss. Should we start?
Yes, ma'am.
A dash months back.
Few months.
Few months back.
Few.
Very good.
Few months.
Few.
Everybody, whatever comes in your mind, speak out. Even if it is wrong, it's absolutely okay. A few months back, dash big fire broke out in a locality.
Ma'am, a big fire.
A
big
big
fire.
fire.
A big
A
fire.
big fire.
A big fire.
Very good. It had caused a dash damage.
Lot of
Lot
Yes.
of
Lot of
Lot
damage.
of.
Good. But fortunately, dash was hurt.
and many.
Nee, it is fortunately, no? That means luckily.
Yes, ma'am. A few.
Yes?
few
Yes, very good. Few. Because they said fortunately, luckily. Few was hurt. Was beta. We cannot have few because अगर इधर few होता तो were होता.
Were.
Yes. Tell me what can be taken. Either or, none, nor.
Nor.
Hmm. Either or, neither, nor, none, all. Tell me. Which one should come here? Either or, neither, none, all, or none.
None.
None. None.
Very good. It was a calm night and I was reading in the hall. I smelt dash burning.
Something.
Very good. Something burning. And heard. It should not hurt, it is heard. And heard dash shouting down the road.
Shouting.
Ma'am, someone.
Someone. Here it is something, here it is someone. It was a house on fire, not I. It was a house on fire with dash flames. Much or many?
With many flames.
Many flames.
Or it could be girls. One of your friend gave the option. The can also be taken. The flames leaping from one roof to another. I immediately phoned the police and the fire department and dash of us rushed out.
All of us.
All of us.
Very, very good. All of us. Excellent. Beta. Prepare the fourth one now. It's a small one. We'll be able to discuss quicker.
And then
All done? Should I discuss?
yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Let's start the fourth one.
Yes,
Good.
ma'am.
Let's start. Dash children were hurt.
Many.
Many
Very
children.
Very good.
Many children.
Too good. In dash road accident.
In an.
And
A.
An or a.
In a road.
An is taken with A-I-N. Very good. When dash school bus collided.
When the school bus.
When the school bus.
School bus
when the school
collided.
bus.
Yes, beta. Collided with dash truck.
With a truck.
With the truck.
With a truck. With a truck. While trying to save dash elderly man.
And
Very good.
And
Very, very good. An elderly man. There was dash doctor nearby.
there were no.
Or an.
many doctor.
बेटा many तो फिर were होना चाहिए यहाँ पे plural. There was dash doctor nearby. See the sentence, read the entire sentence, then you will understand. Either or, neither nor, none, all.
None.
Very good. There was none doctor nearby, but there were dash nurses.
Few.
Very good. Very good. A few nurses passing in dash van.
In a van.
Very good. A van. They stopped dash the vehicle.
The vehicle.
They stopped
The
the
vehicle.
vehicle. Good. The vehicle to give first aid to dash children.
To the children.
To the children.
Excellent. To the children. Let's do the fifth one now. It's a small one. Let's do it quickly. Once you're ready, let me know.
Ma'am, done.
Good.
Ma'am, done.
What about
Ma'am, done.
done? Should we
Yes.
discuss?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Sure. Then let us discuss. Everybody, please speak out. As I always say, whether it is correct or it is wrong, that will not make a difference at all. Let's start, Beta. Lily, what would you like to have? Dash apple?
Apple
And
with some
Or
grapes.
An apple.
an apple.
An apple or dash grape?
Okay.
Or some grapes.
A
a
grape.
grape.
A grape, because it is not grapes.
A
Beta.
grape.
So a grape. Usha, I prefer apple to grape. My mother says that dash apple.
An apple.
An
An
apple.
apple.
Very good. An apple dash day.
A day. A
A
day.
day.
A
day.
An
Day.
apple keeps dash doctor away.
Keeps
The-
the doctor.
The doctor.
You must know this.
Doctor.
An apple a day keeps the doctor away. Would you care for dash a cup of coffee, please? Oh, sorry. I saw the answer. Very good.
Or
No, thanks. Good. This is also not clear. Let me get a PDF from a book which is not clear. The following passage has not been edited. There is one error. There is an incorrect word, beta. We have to find out which is the incorrect word and then we'll find out the correct word also. Let's start. I'll give you 2-3 minutes. First, you have to find out what is the error. For example, see here, Mr. Allison, give me the break. It should be a break. But they have written what? The. So this is an error. And what is the correction? A. So you'll have to find out what is wrong in this line and what should be the correct word. Plan your answers. Once you're done, beta, let me know. We'll discuss. Just let me know, children, once you're done. Are we done, children? Should we discuss? Okay, let's start, beta. You people are not saying only yes. So let me only start. Otherwise, how much time more we will waste in this? Tell me what is the error in the second line. Let me start with the first one. See here, Mr. Allison, give me a break. It should be a break. Won't you? I've got to get a story or an editor.
N is wrong.
Ma'am, N is wrong.
N is wrong.
Very good. An is wrong.
The
What
editor.
should be? The editor. Very nice. When we did letter writing also, we said, na, with editor, we always take the. The editor will fire me. Please do tell me anything about yourself.
Anything is there.
Very good. Anything is wrong. What should be the word?
Something.
Something.
Nothing. Excellent. Excellent. Something.
Something.
Good. How did you happen to get into that work?
That is wrong.
That is
Ma'am,
wrong.
that
Very
is
good.
wrong.
Yes, that is wrong. Then what should be there?
The word.
The work.
The.
Very nice. Do you have some family?
Ma'am, some is error.
Some
Any
is
will
wrong.
come.
Some.
Very good. Some is the error. What should be the correct word?
Any.
Any.
Ah.
Any beta. With interrogatives and negatives, any is used. And with positive sentences, some is used. Please understand the difference between some and any. Whenever there is an interrogative sentence or a negative sentence, you will use any. For example, you have to ask, you will say, do you have any friends? Then the answer comes, I don't have any friends. Matlab, if it is a negative sentence or an interrogative sentence, then any is used. But for a positive sentence, some is used. I have some friends. Now you fill some and any, I'll speak out some sentences, okay? Do you have dash money? Question mark. Any or some?
Some.
Question mark. Do you have dash money? It's a question mark sentence. Then some or any?
Any.
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 Very good. I don't have dash money. Any or some?
Many money.
Any.
Very good, because
Any.
it's a negative sentence. Any. Interrogative sentence. Any. I have dash money. Some or any?
Some money.
Some.
I hope it is clear. With positive sentences, some is used. With negative and interrogative, any is used. Now see, this is which kind of a sentence? Do you have some family? Interrogative, positive or negative?
Interrogative.
Interrogative.
Very good. With interrogative, any should be used. Please to give me a answer. Well, if you want,
N.
R is wrong.
which is wrong? A is the wrong word. It should be an. A is the error and it should be an. Good. If you won't talk, I'll write mine own story.
And mine is wrong.
Very good. Mine is
Ma'am,
wrong. Then
mine
what?
is wrong.
Very good. Mine is wrong.
Right.
What is it?
Your.
Hmm? Own. With own to we use my, na? My own story.
My.
Yes, ma'am.
My. But you may not like all of the story you'll read. What is wrong in this sentence?
Might. May is error, might will come.
No, this is not correct. May and might both can be taken. Both of them show possibility. One is a weak possibility. Other is a strong possibility. Which one is a weak possibility, children? May or might? Hmm?
Might.
Might is very
Might.
good. Might is a weak possibility. So may is not. Tell me there's another mistake in this sentence. See carefully. Tell me what is it.
All.
No. Should I tell you? Story is the wrong word. Tell me what should be the correct word.
Stories.
Yes. Very
Stories.
good. Very nice. Because it's written all, plural. So stories. You have few minutes left to consider my offer.
And few.
Very good. Few is wrong. What should be here? In between have and few, we should
A
have
few.
something. Very good.
A
A few.
A
Few.
few.
A few minutes. Excellent. If you want to ask anything, the rules that we have done, again, please let me know. I hope you have understood the difference between some and any.
Yes, ma'am.
Acha, tell me
Yes.
one thing. Do
Yes,
you
ma'am.
know the difference between few and a few? Few, a few, the few? Yes or no? Tell me, otherwise I'll tell you. No issue. Should I tell you? Difference between few, a few, the few, or you know about it? Chalo, you want me to
Not a
discuss?
proper knowledge about it.
Yes, you know few, a few, the few?
Not exactly.
Chalo, then let us revise. Huh? Few, a few, the few, let us revise. Beta, few, a few, the few, and little or little, the little. All of them are same. The only difference is few is used for countables and little is used for non-countables, that is uncountables. First thing that you should all remember. Few should be used with countables and little should be used with uncountables. Now understand the difference between few, a few, and the few. Few means negative, almost nil, no, nothing. If I say I have few friends, मतलब सिर्फ नाम के लिए वरना है नहीं. Few means a negative meaning. A few means कम है, बहुत कम. A few but है, ऐसा नहीं है कि negative है. A few means है पर बहुत कम है. Like if I say I have few friends, मतलब कोई friend नहीं है. If I say I have a few friends, मतलब थोड़ा है, बहुत कम friends हैं मेरे. And the few means जो भी थोड़े बहुत हैं. For example, I say the few friends I had have shifted to Delhi. जो भी थोड़ी बहुत friends थे, they have gone to Delhi. Few is negative. A few is positive, but बहुत थोड़ा सा. And the few means जो भी थोड़ा बहुत. Now tell me. Okay? Try and fill the blanks. He's not good at reading. Okay? He has hardly read dash books. Few, a few, or the few?
Few.
Few. है ना? बिल्कुल नहीं पढ़ी होंगी तभी he is not good at reading. Next now. I am quite busy, but I still manage to read dash books. Few, a
A
few, the
few.
few.
A
A
few
few.
books.
A few. Dash books I had, I gave it to my friends.
The
The
few.
few.
The few. जो भी थोड़ा बहुत था सब दे दिया the few. If there's anyone still who has not understood, you can ask me, beta. Few means negative, a few means positive, पर थोड़ा सा, and the few means जो भी थोड़ा बहुत. Okay, let us do. I could not get any mangoes in the market because there were dash mangoes left. Few, a few, the few.
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 Because I gave you a negative sentence. I said I could not get. Okay. I could get dash mangoes, but I will manage. Few, a few, the few.
A few.
A few.
Because मैंने negative नहीं बोला. I said I could get. मिले, पर कम मिले. Next. Dash mangoes I got were rotten.
The few.
The few. Very good. जो भी, very nice. जो भी थोड़े बहुत मिले, they were rotten. Same case बेटा, little, a little, the little में आता है. It is used for uncountable. Little means negative, a little means बहुत थोड़ा सा, and the little means जो भी थोड़ा सा. Now tell me. I cannot give you water as I have dash water in my bottle. Little, a little, the little.
Little.
I cannot.
Little.
Very good. Little. Because I said I cannot give. Second sentence. I can give you a few drops of water as I have dash water in my bottle.
A
A
little.
little.
A little.
A
Because my
little.
very good. Because my sentence is positive. I can give you, I'm saying. Next. Dash water I had in my bottle fell down.
The little.
So,
Little.
the little.
Okay, जो भी थोड़ा बहुत था. Now you see this. Let me go back to this one. You have few minutes left to consider my offer. It's a positive sentence. He is giving time. And यहाँ पे negative हो रहा है. अगर ये होता you don't have dash minutes left, then we could have taken as what? Few. But this is a positive sentence. He is giving time. So it should be few or it should be a few.
A few.
A
A
few.
few. A few.
So few, a few, the few, little, a little, the little. Both of them, the usage is same. The only difference is few is used with what? Countables or uncountables?
Countable.
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 Very good. And little is used with?
Uncountable.
Nice.
Well,
Let us also revise some and any. Just now we did this rule also in this class. Let me revise it. Very quick. Some is used for positive sentences, assertive sentences. I have some apples. I have some friends. I have some gems. Some positive sentences, some. And negative sentences, any. I don't have any apples. I don't have any friends. And if it is going to be an interrogative sentence, then also any is used. Do you have any apples? We should never say, do you have some apples? This is wrong. Interrogative sentence, any is used. Okay, tell me. Do you have dash bananas? Phil, some or any?
Any.
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 Good. Yes, I have dash bananas.
Some.
Some banana.
Some.
Very good. Sorry, I don't have dash bananas.
Any.
Any.
Good. Negative and interrogative is always